Hey, what's up guys, it's Sam from BSG Tech. In today's video, I will explain how you can recover your WhatsApp deleted messages. First thing you need to do is go on to Play Store and type what's delete. What's delete, type result will show you plenty of results, and you can click on the 2021, which is the second one, that is with ad. If you click on this one, which is with a rating of 4.7 and it's already downloaded for over 1.4 million times, click on install and let the app install for the first time. It shouldn't take long, small file. And reviews you can check here. 5-star ratings are over 20,000 plus, so quite reasonable for an app on Play Store with a very positive and strong user rating. Let the app install and we are going to open for the very first time. You might see some ads every now and then, but don't worry about that. That is how they make money. Attention, we will click on start, allow and about, and then we will click on allow. It's a straightforward process. You can enable that on notification and access. Click on allow so it can run in the background and it can download and keep your deleted messages safe. It can cover chat messages, multimedia messages including notes and documents. And we will come back on this page. How this works: click on the settings and from here you can enable and disable. Enable the gallery option first, duplication, so it will avoid duplicating your media messages, for example images, videos and audio or documents. And then you can enable and disable from here. This tab basically allows you to erase all your messages history. Very easy and straightforward, guys. Now we will move towards the next step. We will basically exit this app. These tabs, basically before we exit the app, these tabs will show you different areas and images, videos and voice and chats and status, but we will click on chats as well. So then we will exit this app and let me send a message on this WhatsApp. Let's put this on the desktop and see how this works. So this is a WhatsApp message. I will delete all previous messages which I tried and deleted earlier. So I will delete these 3 messages and then I will send a new message just to show you how this works. Normally what happened, actually your phone or your tablet is sitting on a table or it's in your pocket, and all of a sudden you receive a message which was unfortunately deleted by the time you seen it. So let's test a message. Hi, test message, let's meet tomorrow. And as you can see, we have a couple of messages here. So let's assume that my phone is sitting on a desk or it's not in my access at the moment, and somebody sent me 2 messages and they deleted those 2 messages. On the top toggle notification settings, you will see this notification that these messages were deleted. That's basically because of the WhatsApp delete application and the access you have allowed to this app. So let's open WhatsApp first, and as you can see there were 3 messages. First message is there, second and third one is deleted. And let's open WhatsApp delete and we will take you through the main screen and it will show you the deleted messages. You can recover 1 week old, 2 weeks old, 3 weeks old or even a month old messages. This message was deleted, that's a notification, and the deleted messages were let's meet up tomorrow and test message. And this is how you can recover your messages, guys. Make sure, guys, that you only downloaded from the Play Store, not from a third-party link, so you don't get trapped up with infected or injected malware or virus. Thumbs up, subscribe, like and share if you like this video, and if this video has helped you out in any way, do let us know in the comment section below. I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Have a good day. Bye bye.